Hey guys, welcome to Mac to Explore Embedded Systems YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a new mini project, ESP32 LoRa Sensor Monitoring with Web Server. In order to learn more about this project, we have to first introduce about what is LoRa. So let's get started. First we will see brief introduction about LoRa technology, and then we will see implementation of this project. What is LoRa? LoRa is a short for long range. It is a spread spectrum modulation technique derived from chip spread spectrum technology. It was developed by Cyclio of Grenoble, France and acquired by Semtech, the founding member of LoRa Alliance. Semtech Corporation is a supplier of analog and mixed digital semiconductors and advanced algorithms. This is a non-profit association. LoRa Alliance is a non-profit association consists of more than 500 members companies committed to enabling large-scale deployment of LoRa Power Wide Area Network (LPWAN) IoT through the development of promotion of the LoRa WAN open standard. It is an open standard LPWAN, LoRa WAN. LoRa. Let's see more about LoRa on this website of Semtech. Here is the website of LoRa. Semtech, which is a founding member of LoRa Alliance. What is LoRa? As we seen earlier, LoRa is a short for long range. It is a spread spectrum modulation technique derived from chip spread spectrum technology. So you can find a lot of information on Semtech's site about what is LoRa technology, LoRa wireless RF technology, its innovation and its future projects using this technology. You can find what is LoRa WAN and its protocol and structure or stack of LoRa. Then you can also see what is ecosystem, how the ecosystem of LoRa, what topologies and what kinds of network server applications we can use with LoRa. Then you can see the key features of the LoRa technology. Let's see one by one what is LoRa. You can find this link in the description of this video also. Okay, let's move forward. So LoRa is a wireless technology that offers long range, low power and secure data transmission for M2M and machine to machine and IoT applications. LoRa is, as we seen earlier, that is, it is based on chip spread spectrum modulation, which has a low power characteristic like FSK modulation, frequency shift modulation, but it can be used for long range communications. It has a low power characteristics. LoRa frequencies. LoRa uses unlicensed frequencies that are available worldwide. These are most widely used frequencies. So each region in world uses different LoRa frequency. So in Europe, 868 MHz used for LoRa communication. In North America, 915 MHz used for LoRa communication, and in Asia, 432 megahertz used for this band used for LoRa communication. Because these bands are unlicensed, anyone can freely use them without paying or having to get a license. So you can see here in this diagram, Wi-Fi BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, it has a higher bandwidth, but it has a low range. Cellular, which is used for mission critical and outdoor use, which requires higher power, it has a higher bandwidth range, which is more than the Wi-Fi and BLE. But LoRa has a very high range. You can see here it has a lower bandwidth, but it has a very high range. You can see here technologies like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi in case of range. So Bluetooth is up to 30 feet range, Wi-Fi is up to 100 plus feet range. Zigbee is one of the protocol which up to 1000 feet of range, but LoRa is up to range of 10 miles. So let's see key features of LoRa technology and LoRa. First is a long range. It connects up to 10 miles apart in the rural areas where there is no obstacles between, and it penetrates dense urban or deep indoor environments. Low power. It requires minimal energy with prolonged battery lifetime of 10 years, minimizing the battery replacement cost. Geolocation. LoRa devices can have a geolocation capabilities used for tracking positions of devices via timestamp from gateways. Security. It features end-to-end AES 128-bit encryption, mutual authentication, integration protection and confidentiality. Low bandwidth. Long range communication of small amounts of data. It requires very low bandwidth. You can see here features of this LoRa technology like long range, geolocation, low power, mobile, maintains communication within devices, motion with the devices in motion, which is called mobile. Secure. It has a standardization by LoRa Alliance, and it is a very low cost. It has a very high capacity, supports millions of messages per base station, meeting the needs of public network operation, serving large markets. These are the key features of LoRa technology. So let's move forward. Let's see topologies used in the LoRa. So you can use LoRa in a point-to-point communication or in a LoRa network, which is called as a LoRa WAN. In point-to-point communication, LoRa enabled devices can talk with each other using RF signals. In network, they use LoRa WAN. Let's see application where the LoRa is used. Application of LoRa. LoRa long range and low power features make it perfect for battery operated sensors and low power applications. And major application of LoRa is IoT, Internet of Things, in smart home technologies and in machine to machine communications. You can see here it is used in supply chain logistic, metering, environment, cities, home and building, industrial control, agriculture, healthcare, and a lot more. So let's move forward. LoRa WAN. What is LoRa WAN? LoRa WAN is a low power wide area networking protocol. Low power wide area networking protocol developed by LoRa Alliance that is wirelessly connects battery operated things to the internet in regional, national or global networks, targeting the key Internet of Things requirements such as bidirectional communication, end-to-end security, mobility, localization services. So in short, LoRa WAN is a protocol used in IoT application So what is difference between LoRa and LoRaWAN? This is most commonly arise question between LoRa and LoRaWAN. So both terms are often used synonymously, but they are different meanings. LoRa is a physical layer modulation technique that enables communication with very low power consumption, that is cheap, which is cheap. LoRa is a physical layer, and LoRaWAN is a MAC layer, that is the software that put on the chip to enable networking. It refers to the network protocol. LoRa refers to the chip, LoRaWAN network refers to the network protocol. So this is all about LoRa and LoRa technologies. So in next video we will see about this project, which is based on LoRa technology, LoRa remote server monitoring with web server using ESP32 LoRa and Arduino MKR WAN 1300 development board.